Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the fuel type in the Here We Go application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then drag this section at the bottom of the page up to enable other functions, and then at the account and the settings section, click on the settings button, and at the general section click on the fuel type button. And as you can see, there are three options you can choose from, so just set the type of fuel that you want to use within this application, and once you've done it, just click on the chosen one and it is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.